If you've ever looked at your goals and thought, this isn't enough, or if life keeps throwing you curveballs just as you're trying to build something better, this video is for you. In week 5 of my 90-day freedom build, I realized that what I've done so far won't get me to where I want to be. So this week, I'm pivoting hard and sharing exactly how I'm accelerating towards lifestyle and financial freedom. The original plan for this week, I was going to walk you through the lifestyle-driven wealth approach, the core philosophy behind LyfStyled. But instead, this week turned into a strategy pivot, a health reality check, and a wake-up call. I had to confront something I've been avoiding. If I want this challenge to mean something, I need to go all in on it, right now. So this is what I actually had planned. Lifestyle-driven wealth is a philosophy for life, not just a sprint. But this 90-day freedom build is a sprint. And I realized that I was treating both of them as if they had the same priority or urgency. So I had to refocus, because here's what I committed to do in this challenge. Generate 1,000 from LyfStyled before my maternity leave. Use CEO days to stay grounded in life and in business, despite low energy or chaos. Grow my personal transition fund to cover the extended unpaid leave that I will be taking after my maternity leave. And live out the proof that building wealth your way really matters, especially when real life hits hard. But what actually happened? Sunday became a strategy day. And when I look back at April, I felt a mix of pride and discomfort. I feel like I did do some of the things good, because I created a cozy workspace for focus and calm. I soft launched the transition fund calculator and released the premium household wealth dashboard. Also, I started showing up consistently, even when it was awkward or even when it was slow. But emotionally, it still felt like this was not enough. On CEO day, things were chaotic at home. There was roof work being done. The flagpole in our front yard was being taken down. But oddly enough, that sparked something in me. Watching our front yard open up for our future kids' play area reminded me that sometimes you actually need to clear up space before growing can happen. So I cleared up space behind the scenes. I made back-end updates to the LyfStyled.com website and officially launched a new channel segment. The channel segment is called Living LyfStyled. This is where I share short, real-time reflections about building freedom in the middle of everyday life. You can check out the first video that I have placed here on YouTube. The link is in the description below. Let me give you an update on my life and health. This week, my body reminded me that it's also in the middle of creating something big, producing life. So I had a cold, I lost my sense of smell and taste, and now that I'm 6 weeks pregnant, I actually do feel a lot of these changes happening. But I do have good news. We had our baby scan and everything looks healthy and strong. In the moment that we had that scan, it gave me such an emotional release. I realized that I had been burying my worry and told myself not to stress about anything. But when I saw her on the screen, I exhaled for the first time in weeks. You may wonder what kept me going this week. Well, what got me through the overwhelm wasn't hustle. It was clarity. I came back to my deeper why. I'm doing this so that I have options, so I don't have to burn out just trying to survive. And one of my unexpected lifelines this week was ChatGPT. I used it to brainstorm ideas, simplify to-do lists, and get unstuck. Because, to be honest, brain pregnancy is real. I do experience brain fog, so having something like ChatGPT has been really helpful. The big win this week was that I had the freedom to pivot. It's not about perfection. It's about being honest enough to say, this isn't working fast enough. Let's change it. That's what building freedom looks like. Having the permission and the systems to course correct before it's too late. And here's what helped me the most this week. Documenting my goals in a way that actually inspires me to act. That's what the lifestyle planner does. It gives structure when your brain is foggy. It helps you remember what matters, especially when life is so loud. There's just 2 weeks left in the 90-day freedom build. If you want to see how it all plays out, subscribe to the channel by pressing the button down below. Or head to the LyfStyled website to explore the tools I'm using. This is real life, real freedom, built one CEO day at a time. Next week, I'm finally diving into the full explainer of lifestyle-driven wealth. What it is, how it works, and how it can completely change your approach to money and life. You won't want to miss it. Freedom isn't about perfect weeks. It's about direction. And still moving forward even if some weeks you're crawling. Before you go, tell me in the comments down below what small win or pivot you made in this week. Let's keep reminding each other that every step counts.